Being able to recognize how candles are opening and closing is important, but understanding why and what it means as to why they're closing a certain way is even more important. I'm going to give you guys my top 5 candlestick patterns that work the best and will give you the best trading results. If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Colt Mosdef, and it is a pleasure to meet you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I have a ton of other videos based around trading, and if you guys want to learn more about me and work more closely with me, check out the link in my description. Now, let's get into my computer and let's make some freaking money. Let's begin. Candle number 1 is a spinning top. I don't know if you guys remember, but when we were kids, there was a toy that we would spin on the ground and it would spin around until it eventually would fall over. That is the best representation of this candle. And honestly, this is one of my favorite candles to look at when trading. This is a bullish spinning top and vice versa would be a bearish spinning top. This can kind of construe a higher low with this candle. Now you guys need to understand something about these candles. When you see candles with these long wicks like that, that is showing exhaustion. I'm going to give you guys a hack real quick. One of the best things that you guys can do is wait for the candle to close to give you confirmation. We can see the markets were in an uptrend, and on this candle, this wick was once filled all red, and we do have a spinning top right here as well, but the body of this candle was filled red at one point in time, and if you are not patient like I used to be, you are going to get screwed over. A lot of people saw this candle was extremely bearish and they were selling all in this wick right here. So usually when I'm trading, if I am feeling impatient for the day, let's say that this is on the minute 15 time frame, every candlestick represents 15 minutes. On the right side of TradingView, which I'll show you in a second, there's a timer that will tell you when the candle is going to expire. So what I like to do if I'm feeling impatient, let's say we're on the 15-minute time frame like I said, and the candle has 15 minutes left, I'll set a timer on my phone for 13 minutes. I'll go walk my dog, go take a shower, make some coffee, just do something in the meantime instead of me staring at the chart. I'm pretty sure every single one of you can agree with me. You've been at this point in your trading where you're looking at the candles and you're like, oh, it's super bearish. It has 1 minute left. It's not going to change at all. And guys, a lot can happen in 1 minute, 30 seconds, even in 10 seconds. So it's very important that when you're trading, if you're entering when a candle's about to close or a new one's about to open, that you wait at least 3 to 5 seconds before that candle closes. So if I'm going to enter on a candle, let's say it's about to close as a spinning top, I will not execute a long or a short position until the candle expires in 3 to 5 seconds. Very important. Next one, we have the shooting star. Now the shooting star does look like the spinning top, but I want you guys to notice the body of the shooting star is very small. Right where price opened is where price is going to close with the shooting star candle. We can also see that I have these lines on my chart. The yellow line is the 20 EMA and the red line is the 66 EMA. If I see the candle wicking into the EMAs like this, whether we're in a buy market or a sell market, that is giving me a ton of confirmation that it's going to basically use this as support or resistance and really push away. And we can see comes down, hits the EMAs, closes above the EMAs. Then the next candle rejects and retests those EMAs one more time and then has an explosive move to the upside. Definitely look into that. Candle 3, we have a hammer head. Now it simply looks like a hammer. We have the actual hammer right here. We have the handle for the hammer. This right here is also a very nice setup. Now I want you guys to take note, once again, we are hitting the EMA right here, the 20 EMA. What happened here when we hit it on this candle and this candle when we wicked, it had an explosive move, and the same thing happened right here. It hit the 20 EMA, closed above it, price started to go higher and pushed up even more. So when you're trading, you can use these candlestick patterns with certain confluences, whether it's hitting the EMAs or you see a candlestick pattern like this form within a higher low like it was right here, higher high, right here, higher low, right here, and price kept going higher. Next one, we have a bullish engulfing. What we are looking at is a 2 candlestick pattern. We can see our bearish candle right here and then our bullish candle right here. But notice how the close of this candle, it engulfs, meaning it went higher than the open of the candle on the bearish candle right here. This is a bullish engulfing. And then we have a bearish engulfing. We have this bullish candle. Then the bearish candle closes lower than the open of this bullish candle and price continues to go down. These are my 5 candlestick patterns. Now let's go to a live chart and find these candlestick patterns together. Now the cool thing about looking at these candlestick patterns is they occur on every single instrument and on every single time frame. Let's get our arrow and let's start spotting some out. We do have right here a bullish engulfing as we look at these 2 candles, but price didn't get a reaction that we would like to see. We can see we have a spinning top right here. We can see we have a shooting star candle right here. I would like to see the body a little bit smaller, but this is a good representation of a shooting star candle right here. What do we have right here? I'll let you guys guess. Bullish, what? Yep, bullish engulfing. Notice how the body of this candle engulfs the body of this candle right here. Here's a spinning top as well. We have a bearish spinning top right here. We have price form a lower low, lower high. Within it, we see it rejecting the 20 EMA line right here. After this candle closed, you can enter a sell, have your stops right above here or above the previous high, and then you could aim for your TP right here at previous lows. Now let's go to another chart and look at some more of these candles. Now for all of my Forex traders, let's go look at some candles. Right here, we have a bearish engulfing 2 candlestick pattern. Right here, we have a shooting star candle, okay? This would also count as a bearish engulfing right here. What we're looking for is when you hear the word engulfing, we're looking for one of the candles to engulf the other. So we have this bearish engulfing right here. Here's a really nice bearish engulfing as well. This could count as a bullish engulfing, this candle and this bearish candle right here. We have a spinning top down here, another bearish engulfing right here. So there's all these, nice one right here, a nice spinning top right here. One thing that I've noticed that works best, I'm going to give you guys a hack right now. Okay, so what I like to see is I like to see a higher high, then price to form a higher low, and within this higher low, I want to see one of those reversal candles form. Once I see that form, I can see to take a buy position, and that's what I want to see price do. Now vice versa, we could see price hit a high, then form a lower low, then see price form a lower high, and this is where we want to see one of our reversal candles to then break our low and form a new lower low. So let's go and see if we can find one of those patterns on the chart right now. We can see price was forming these highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, all in here. Now we can see that we have a spinning top right here on this higher low and price push up to form a higher high. Now on this higher low right here, we can see this bullish engulfing right here. Another bullish engulfing up here. We have a nice spinning top right here on this candle, and we have a shooting star right here. We have a bullish engulfing right here. So if you guys want to get the most value from these candlestick patterns, what I would recommend that you guys do is look for a trend to be formed. A higher high, then a higher low. Find your reversal candle, then take it higher. Or if you're in a downtrend, look for a lower low to be formed, then a lower high. And within that lower high, you want to see a bearish engulfing, spinning top, shooting star, or hammerhead candle. If you see any of those candles form within that lower high or the higher low, take it and you should see a really nice setup form. Guys, I hope that you got some value from this video. Rewatch it, share it with a friend. There's a ton of gems in here. And if you guys want to trade live with me on a Zoom call every day, click the link in my description. I do offer that. Without further ado, see you guys later. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.